Today I want to show you a flip through of this. This is my latest design team project for Jovi at Creating with Jovi, and the kit is the retro vibe. I'm going to show you all the elements, but if you want to have a look out for yourself, pop over to our Etsy shop. I'll leave the link, obviously. And while we're talking about Jovi's kits, if you are interested in becoming a design team member for Jovi, then just pop over to our channel. I'll leave that as well. And just send her a little message and tell her why you want to join her design team. Just a little shout out for my friend Jovi. So let's get on with it. I'm going to show you the kit. Then we're going to do a little flip through. And then this will be in my Etsy shop. Unless anybody snaps it up first. Bye. So it opens up and you've got your journal. And I've just tied that together so it doesn't get sort of messed up. So I've left this so that, you know, you can put like journal or your name or notes or whatever. And I'm just going to do you a quick flip through. I've done some stamping and added some little embellishments like this. But all the pages are from the kit. So I'm just going to chill out and an ice cream. We know how much Jovi loves her ice cream. So this is all part of the kit. I made a little tuck here. Very clean, not grungy at all, this one. I cut these out. I thought they looked quite fun on the page. Loads of writing space. This is the centre of the journal signature. So I popped on a couple of these little card tags. You can take them off if you want to and use them. I've got a couple of these postcards, which I've had for ages. They're like little thank you cards, 2005. And I thought they just went so well in here. So basically that is all the kit. A little tuck there with some of the ephemera I printed out really little. And a double pocket with a little tag here. And this is not part of the kit. This is just something I had in my stash. So I've just backed it and I've stamped this on and put one of the little embellishments in the middle. And I think it's really cool. So, little journal, because, you know, we like to do a bit of writing occasionally. Okay, so very quickly, I'm just going to show you how it all flips out. Okay, I better stay over there. So this page has a notebook which can come out, and this is a raised embellishment, so when you pop this in it catches on there and doesn't fall, but it's just a little notepad you can take out. So I'm opening it up and it's not big. I'll measure it when it's completely open. So I've made a little flippy out bit here. I love making these, you know I do. And in this pocket, I've just done some circles and I've got little cards that pop into there. And then in the back, there's another one of these really cool thank you cards that can be used. But I just thought, do you know what? There's every colour under the sun in this book. And I just went with it. I went with the retro vibe. And why not? This actually came from Jovi, this bit of fabric. So I popped in a couple of cards in there. That's from the kit. Still room if you want to add any more bits to this. There's still lots of room. Little vellum pocket with a tag in there. And I've cut this window out. So in the back, there's another tag with a card. And another one, and loads of writing space. It's just so cool. So that was the first bit. In the centre, you've got this really cool pocket, which I have just cut out this. I backed to this one, part of the kit, onto some more card and cut it out. And I backed to this bit twice. And then these are just from the kit. So as you can see, there's loads to play with. So flip the journal over and you come to the back bit, and I've put on one of these wooden, really thick card flower and a couple of cards, and I've just put some more little embellishments on the top, so they just tuck into the flower and they stay there, which is really cool. So going over, I love this. You've got a nice pocket here with a tag in it, so much journaling space, little bits of journaling space, because you don't always want to write a load. And you open this up. This one's like my favourite bit. And I've made little tiny pockets with little tiny bits of ephemera in. I've just printed them out little. And I've embellished all the pockets with parts from the kit as well. This is not part of the kit, I just wanted to put that in. So this is another flippy out bit. So this is part of the kit, a bit of stamping. And you open it up. Oh, this I've had in my stash for ages, Sergeant Pepper's. And I thought, peace and love, perfect place to put it. You can put your own little picture on there. And then this all folds back. And you've got another little bit of tag. So you've got a tag at the top, which I've just added some trim on. Bit of fringing. And one of the tags I've turned into a pocket there and put some more little tiny bits in to this pocket. And I think that's it. So you close it all up like this. The journal goes in the middle, and then you just tie it all up. What do you think? So thanks for joining me, guys, and I will see you very soon with another project.